are now in Floreta 1 and I saw the Dove Clinic already. We're going there. Hi guys, we're finally here in Derma Scalp Clinic and we're gonna try the different activities and then we're gonna try the free scalp consultation. So let's go.
Your scalp deserves the same care as your skin. So here in Dove Dermacare Scalp Clinic, you can ask about your hair and scalp concerns to a licensed dermatologist for free. So for the first experiment, they used the Dove Dermacare Scalp Soothing Moisture Shampoo. They put out 2 white roses and the first one is of course without Dove and it was exposed in the sun. And as you can see, the other rose is flaky and dry and the other one with Dove is very fresh and protected. And then for the next experiment, they used the Dove Dermacare Scalp Hair Fall Recovery. As you guys can see, the other brush has hair fall and the one who used Dove doesn't have hair fall. And then on the side of this pop-up booth, you can take pictures and post it with the hashtag #SwitchToCare and Dove Philippines, so you will get 2 sachets for free. Now let's go to the free derma consultation.
I'm Mara po.
Hello. Do you have any specific issues right now?
Madalas kasi akong maglagay po ng styling products. So I feel like meron pong build up sa scalp ko and also nag-hair fall din po ako. Yes.
So, this is your scalp. This is the sample of a healthy scalp. Kita mo, kung mapapansin mo, medyo shiny siya, di ba?
Yes.
So, ang mas medyo similar siya is more on this. Or yeah, this.
Yes.
This is more similar to your concern. Ito not so much. And then dandruff, parang wala naman masyado. So, I think more on this talaga. So, ang pinaka-contributory factor din sa kaya nag-uusat baka dahil sa products dahil marami kang nilalagay yung products. I think yun talaga. Ito yung normal hair, normal scalp, and then this is the oily scalp, so which is what you're more similar to. Then this is the sensitive scalp, which hindi ka naman kasi wala ka naman masyadong redness or parang flakiness. So yeah, you're more on this one. Oily talaga. Tendency kasi pagka oily yung scalp natin, mas prone siya to attracting fungal growth, which can lead to parang dandruff or flakiness ng scalp. Kaya siguro mo sinasabi na parang minsan parang medyo flaky. So, the anti-dandruff shampoo ng Dove contains pyrophosphate, which is a potent anti-dandruff ingredient. So, it should help in terms of also reducing the oiliness. And then, in terms of hair fall, meron siyang ingredient has niacinamide to help strengthen the skin barrier in our scalp and strengthen yung hair natin para mas ma-minimize yung hair fall. Pero that's just one part. You also need to consider the other things that might trigger your hair fall are the products that you're using. That can put a lot of stress on our hair follicles, kaya mas nalalaga sila. At the same time, mahaba yung hair fall. So, mahaba. So, there's some traction there. Traction can also lead to increased hair fall. Another thing is stress. You're under a lot of stress. Mas napaparami yung hair mo that goes into the shedding phase. Kasi yung hair natin, meron siyang cycle. Meron siyang growth phase and shedding phase. Yung nasa growth phase, usually 90% ng hair natin yung nasa shedding phase is usually just 10%. Pero pag nasa-stress ka, or parang your body undergoing some form of stress, yung percentage sa'yo nagbabago. Napaparami yung napupunta sa shedding phase. So parang nalalagas. Parang mas maraming nalalagas.
Pero normal naman po pala na may shedding phase talaga.
Pero normal na shedding phase. Actually, yung normal na amount that we usually tell patients is 100 strands a day is normal hair.
So I think normal naman po as curly hair talaga.
Curly hair siya talaga, tsaka mahaba yung hair. Kasi in terms of sa scalp density, wala namang issue eh. So I think baka normal fall lang talaga siya. Mukha lang siyang marami dahil sa weight and thickness of your hair.
That's why nga po yung Dove anti-dandruff yung tinay ko kasi more on the product build up po talaga.
Thank you so much. Hair fall recovery.
Thank you, Dove.
Once you are done with the free derma consultation, you will get the Dove Dermacare Scalp Shampoos and a scalp massager. And then if you take a photo on their pop-up and post it, you will get 2 sachets of the Dove Dermacare Scalp Shampoo. So make sure to visit here since there will be fun activities, a free derma consultation, and of course, freebies.
So now we are done with the derma consultation and I learned a lot about scalp and hair care. You guys can visit here in Glorieta 1 and get your free derma consultation here in Dove Scalp Clinic, and it's here from 10 to 10 p.m. So yeah guys, I'll see you here. So now we are done with the Dove Derma Clinic. I learned a lot. And now, we're just gonna look around here in Glorieta 1. Kasi ngayon lang kami napunta dito magkasama. We are now leaving Glorieta 1 and pupunta kaming Binondo and we're gonna have a food trip. Gusto sana namin kumain dun sa oldest restaurant here in the Philippines. Ano yung pangalan nun? Toho Antigua. Pero tingnan pa namin kung bukas siya kasi nakalagay sa Google Maps na sarado. Pero sa Waze daw bukas. So, hindi namin alam. Pero madami namang mga kainan doon sa Binondo and magpo-food trip na lang tayo. So, yeah. We're here sa Jones Bridge. Maganda to paggabi. Ayan na siya. Oh, we're here! Bingo! Nasaan ka na? Charot! We're here! And nakakita agad kami ng parking. So, very good. And nakalagay sa Waze, nasarado sila and sa Google. Pero, bukas sila guys. And I'm not sure kung ngayon lang nabukas sila. Pero, yeah, may mga tao, may mga kumakain. So, let's go! Parang medyo madami yung pila, but let's risk it because this is the oldest restaurant in Pilipinas. This is their menu. What should we order? Pansit, lumpiang Shanghai. This is lumpiang Shanghai, yang chow rice, sweet and sour pork, asado, and pansit canton. So we're gonna try all of it. And guys, sabi nila dito kumain si Jose Rizal tsaka si Andres Bonifacio, tapos favorite daw ni Rizal yung pansit nila. So, tingnan natin kung masarap. Let's eat guys! Bigyan natin sila ng review habang kumakain. Oh my gosh. Meron silang pinaprovide na sauce. Ang sarap niya guys. Oh my God! Pero guys, kaya ako nagulat kasi ang sarap ng combination nito and toyo mansit. Out of this world. Sarap. Let's try the sweet and sour pork. Wow. I mean, hindi lang siya historical site. The food is actually good. Ito muna, asado. Look at that. Hindi ako nag-OA guys. Ang sarap, oh my gosh. Ang sarap, oh my gosh. So now for the main part, try natin ang pansit. Sa itsura pa lang masarap na yung pansit. Kasi guys, mahilig ako sa pansit na mas saucy. So alam ko na agad na masarap siya. That's how I like it. Suggestion ko, if you're gonna eat here, hingi kayong maraming toyo at kalamansi and chili garlic. Lagyan nyo lahat ng ulap. Naka-uplift yung lasa by like 3 times. Ganon. I gotta say, yung mga pork nila, the best. Oh my gosh, ang sarap. Pinaiiyak ako. Pinaiiyak ako, ang sarap. Best decision, hindi natin tinanggal yung asado. Pinakamasarap yan. This is the best. Pag pupunta kayo dito, ito orderin nyo. Cold cut asado. Hindi kasi ako magaling guys sa Chinese restaurant. Hindi ako lumaki sa family na kumakain madalas kami sa fast food, American. So si John, lumaki siya sa family na mahilig sa Chinese food. So sabi ko siya ang umorder. We are about to leave the restaurant, but I just want to say na you guys should try it there. Masarap talaga siya. We're now here in Intramuros.
Dito daw tumatambay si Rizal dati nagtitik.
Turista kami sa sariling bayan. Meron din ditong market, guys. Nagulong ako dito. Pawis. Pagod. We're finally here sa Fort Santiago after ilang minutes namin hinahanap kasi hindi kami nag-Google Maps. And may pila siya, guys. Senator Elpidio Junio was imprisoned in this. Really? Grabe, ibang-iba pag ikaw yung kasama ko. Yung mga realizations mo, puro nabaril. Yung sailor yung kasama ko. Puro, picture natin. Content natin to. Binabasa niya talaga, guys. Pakawalan mo, babe. Kailangan niya ata ng tulong.
Pakakawalan ko. That's my guy, Jose.
Pinaka-cringe na ginawa mo yun.
Comfortable, and no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel
The Pasig River. Sakay ka dito. Silaw ako. Ay! Nakita niyo yung katangahan ko, guys.
tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky. And I feel so lucky I met you.
Puro hinga na lang ata maririnig nyo dito. Oh. Para kang bata.
It's not optional. How gravity just pulls me right to you.
Bulacan! Hi guys, anong review mo sa Intramuros tour natin?
Ganda.
And the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. Spend my whole life waiting